material science, slip is the large displacement of one part of a crystal relative to another part along the crystallographic planes and directions. An external force makes parts of the crystal lattice glide along each other, and hence changing the material geometry. The same phenomena, the same process happens in rolling as well. The slip occurs almost all the places where the deformation is taking place except for neutral point. This neutral point is a point at which the work velocity becomes equals to the surface velocity of the roller. Here there is no relative velocity and hence there would be no slipping. This neutral point divides the deformation zone into two parts. The part between entry and neutral point is called as lagging zone, and the part between exit and the neutral point is called as leading zone. Now at all points in the deformation zone, except for the neutral point, some relative velocity will be always present between the rollers and the work, and hence slipping will be occurring in all the places in the deformation zone except for neutral point. In the lagging zone, the maximum slip occurs at the entry point because here the relative velocity between the work and the roller is maximum, and it is given by v minus v naught by v into 100, and we term it as backward slip. So the maximum slip occurring in the lagging zone, and lagging zone was what? The zone, the area between the neutral point and the entry point, is called as backward slip. And in case of leading zone, the maximum slip is occurring at the exit point, and at the exit point the difference in velocity between the work and the roller, that means the relative velocity, is maximum, and it is given by v1 minus v by v into 100, and this is termed as forward slip. So the maximum slip occurring in the leading zone is called forward slip, and the maximum slip occurring in the lagging zone is called as backward slip. Again, the lagging zone is the part of the deformation zone between neutral point and the entry point of the workpiece, whereas the leading zone is the part of the deformation zone between neutral point and the exit point. Now, as we have already discussed, at neutral point no slip occurs. That means pure rolling can be seen. Minimum would be the contact area between the work and the rollers, and hence there would be maximum pressure existing at the neutral point. And hence we can conclude this lecture by this concept that pressure is inversely proportional to slip.